What is copyleft? Have you ever wondered how some creative works can be shared and modified freely without losing their original essence? This concept is known as copyleft. Copyleft is a legal method that uses copyright law to grant broad freedoms to users regarding a copyrighted work. Unlike traditional copyright, which often restricts how others can use or share a work, copyleft licenses requiring that anyone who redistributes the work or its derivatives must do so under the same terms. This means that the right to use, modify, and share remains intact for everyone. At its core, copyleft flips the traditional use of copyright on its head. The copyright holder declares the work is protected but attaches a license that allows anyone to use, modify, and redistribute the work. However, there is a catch. If someone improves or changes the work, they must also share those changes under the same copyleft license. This prevents proprietary restrictions from being imposed on future users. The origins of copyleft can be traced back to the free software movement in the 1980s, particularly through Richard Stallman and the GNU Project. Stallman created the GNU General Public License, which became the first widely used copyleft license. This license was designed to ensure that software would remain free and open for all users. Over time, copyleft has expanded beyond software to include documents, art, and other creative works through licenses like Creative Commons Sharealike and the Free Art License. From a libertarian viewpoint, which emphasizes self-ownership and individual freedom, copyleft aligns well with the principle of preserving freedom in the realm of intellectual property. It challenges the traditional idea of intellectual property as a monopoly that restricts use and innovation. Instead, copyleft treats knowledge and creative works as shared resources that individuals can freely build upon, as long as they respect the same freedoms for others. Practically speaking, copyleft encourages collaboration and innovation. It legally ensures that improvements and modifications remain accessible to the community. This approach prevents the privatization of collective knowledge and supports a system where creators voluntarily give up exclusive control to promote social benefit and continuous development. In essence, copyleft is a legal framework that uses copyright to protect and guarantee user freedoms over creative works. It insists that these freedoms be preserved in all subsequent uses and modifications. This framework represents a libertarian-friendly approach to intellectual property, emphasizing freedom, shared ownership of ideas, and the prevention of monopolistic control over knowledge.